Okay, so we are checking our bottom boards. Good, no hive beetles, right?
You want to scrape these in that can, or
Yeah, we got an ant in there though.
we'll scrape it in there?
The can's right behind you on the top, so you can just hold it up and scrape it in there. We're just checking our bottom boards every time because we have hive beetles in Mom's first hive. Do you want me to hold the board while you...
And there is a granddaddy lonely.
Oh, very cool.
Those are my iPad.
So we pour vegetable oil on it to hopefully trap any hive beetles or whatever. Kill them.
Yours looks good.
So far, yeah. I think we're staying on top of it.
Probably wouldn't hurt to put more in them, but since it's not in bad shape.
Slide it back in. Hive number 1. Hive number 2.
Not bad.
Is that a hive beetle there? The little black thing?
It's this.
No, that's a bee. I know that's a bee.
Yeah, okay. That would be a bee.
I am a beginner
that's-
beekeeper and all, but...
No, that's not a hive beetle.
Cool.
No, it had little. Not one. The oil really soaked up, though.
I bet it does soak up into that wood. Maybe we should put like some of that shelving material on the bottom so it won't suck up in there. So the exciting one is the 3rd bottom board. That's the one we have trouble with. The suspense is killing you, I'm sure.
Like it's stung me on the belly.
It's lower. You see it?
Yes.
Hive number 3. Dun dun dun. Hey, there's no dead bees. Right?
Cool. Yeah. That
That's
means that there's
awesome.
enough numbers that they're taking care of it.
Yeah, do you see any hive beetles on there?
I do not see any.
Bam. That's how you do it.
Little bees, get off. And then that's a dead bee.
Very, very cool. The guys are shooting in the background, so...
I'm kind of wondering if maybe the first time we didn't have everything shoved in as good as it should have been, you know?
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe now it's in the right place.
Yeah.